I'm spending some time in the kitchen this morning making some white bread. I make this bread in my KitchenAid mixer. I can't remember the last time I bought bread in the store. I make this white sandwich bread at least once a week. I'm putting a cup of warm water in my mixing bowl, about a teaspoon of sugar, and 2 teaspoons of yeast. I just sprinkle this on top of the water. About 2 and a smidge, 2 1/4 teaspoons of yeast is what's in a packet of yeast. And I don't even mix it up, I just let it sit in there for about 10 to 15 minutes till it gets frothy. So that's what you want. I'm adding another 2/3 cup of warm water. About 2 tablespoons of honey. Oh, that's a mess. Four and a half cups of bread flour. And teaspoon salt. I always add the salt after the flour because the yeast can react to the salt if you put it right next to each other right away. Obviously it's going to mix together, but you don't want it to mix together before it mixes together, if that makes sense. The dough's a little dry, so I'm adding a little bit more water. I like what I'm seeing here. It's already starting to pull away from the sides. Once I get to this point where the dough is pulling away from the sides, I run this on speed 2 for 8 to 9 minutes. I use my microwave to rise our bread because the light under here on the stove is most of the time on, and it warms up the inside of the microwave just a little bit, creating a perfect space for my bread to rise. To see more videos like this, you can subscribe to my channel where I share food from scratch and everyday life here on our little homestead in progress.